If you have any of the latest Philips OLED TVs or their new Atmos soundbar, you'll be pleased to know that you can now update the display to get, or the sound system to get, DTS Play-Fi streaming ability, basically, so you can stream multiple songs on several rooms technically, and I think it is quite good. So DTS Play-Fi allows you to stream multiple rooms basically at once, and not just multiple rooms with the same track, but you can have different tracks playing at once. And you can even connect up to 32 devices, which to me is great. You can connect many devices and have great sound technically. You have the ability to update the newest Philips OLED TV, their new 805, which would get you this feature. You can also update your 2019 TVs as well, because the 2019 displays, unlike the 2020 displays, would get their updates via the internet in the coming months. So it's not yet available for older displays like 2019 displays, but it's gonna come later. The soundbars they launched this year as well will get this feature, and you'll be able to stream multiple music in multiple rooms in your house. That's pretty much it. If you really want to know about the competitor for DTS Play-Fi, you should look at Denon, Seal, Sonos, Blue Sound, and many other brands. That's all I have for you right now. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.